Okay, in this video we're going to be doing Lab 3A, as you can see on the screen before us. It is a spacer that has an overall length of 7 inches and a height of 3 inches. So as usual, the first thing that we're going to do is go through here and make our title block and make sure everything is good to go there. And then we'll get started on this drawing. So first off, we're going to use, as always, the thickness of the clear space on our parallel rule. Draw our line across. Pick up, move to the other end. Repeat the procedure. Might as well go ahead and do this one in this mode. Go ahead and draw the top line of our title block. I'm going to take my triangle and mark out 3/8 of an inch in, so 1, 2, 3, on both sides. 1, 2, 3/8 of an inch in, on both sides. Between them. Okay. I'm going to measure across the bottom for my title block lettering, 3 3/8. So that gives us about a third of our paper. And then over here again, 3 3/8. As it says up here in the title, this lab is Lab 3A. Circles and curves. Oop, didn't quite give myself enough space here. Don't do that. Alright, this is drafting. P1 on February the 13th of 2019. Number, first initial, alright. Whoops. Sorry about that. Oop. I'm gonna stay put. Okay. Moving right along. Like it says in the drawing below, it says that this has a diameter on the outside circles of 3, and the interior from center to center is 2 inches from the center of the actual page. So that means, as always, the first thing we're going to do is find the center of our paper. In this case, you might want to use a scale, since that actually reaches all the way across. So I've got about 10 1/8 to play with. Just to make it easier on myself, I'm going to slip this over so that I can make 5 my actual center mark. And then for the height here, good. Put that there. So 7 1/4 is our overall height. That means 3 1/2 plus 1/8 is our center mark. Okay. Now, because the outside edges of this box are actually circles instead of there being any straight lines, the actual thing that makes more sense to do this time around is to just do a box that's 4 inches wide and 3 inches tall. And the reason for this is it saves us a lot of erasing, for one, but two, since we're going to have to use our compass to draw this, the main thing that we need to do is have a center point for the compass, and that's going to be down that 4-inch line. So because I know it's 3 inches tall, I'm going to split that in half and put the 1.5-inch marker of my triangle on the center point. And I'm going to mark off at 3 inches, and I'm going to mark off down here against my parallel rule. Now, it would be helpful if our parallel rules were lined, but they aren't. So what I've done is I started my line here, put it at the 2, and I'm going to mark it 0 and 4. Then I'm going to move my parallel rule back into place and actually finish the whole line across. Now, as you can see in the video, I have drawn this fairly dark. You don't really want to do this on yours because you're going to want to erase this when we're done. Let's see. What I'm doing right now is I'm lining up for the left-hand or right-hand side of the top, and while I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and draw my light center line down there. If I drew it as light as I needed to, back to my earlier comment, then you wouldn't be able to see what I was doing on the video. So do the same thing over here. Move my parallel rule up, starting with my pencil at the top of one of the lines, and drawing across. So now I have the box that the center section of our drawing will fit in. And I'm going to go ahead and make marks for the center of the outside circles. Okay, so my next step is to grab my compass and set my compass to the proper sizes. According to the drawing, the outside circles have a diameter of 3. We've discussed this a couple of times now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set my lead on 0, and I'm going to move the point of my compass out to 1.5 inches. Okay, having done that, I'm going to put my spike on that center mark. There we go. And then I'm just going to swing this around to draw the circle that we need. Now I have what looks like a 4H lead in my compass at the moment, so no matter what I'm doing, I'm making a really light line. So that's why I went over it several times. Do that. Whoops. Okay, so sometimes that happens. If you look here, the spike got pushed back into my compass. All I have to do is thumb it forward again and then crank down a little tighter on the block that holds it into place. So once again, I put my spike on the center mark. If you'll notice from the drawing, my circles don't stop at the halfway point. That's why I'm going inside of the box that we drew. Alright, so yes. So now that we have this done, we can go ahead and do the inside circles if we want. Or we can go ahead and figure out where to put the spike to do these 1.5 inch radius circles that are at the bottom and the top. Now to do this successfully, it's going to take a little bit of chance and checking. So I'm going to draw that center line a little bit, just so that I have an axis to put my spike on to find where I'm going. I'm going to set my compass to 1.5 inches, which is actually where it should be already. And I'm going to put the lead on the circle that we've already done. And then the spike on that center line. And they should touch each other. Now if I drag this around, even though it didn't give me the dimension of where that center was, it gave me enough information to know that this circle, or this radius, is tangent to our outside curves. So I can do the same thing at the top. I'm going to continue that line up as well, which I guess I should have done in the first place. And I'm simply going to repeat the procedure that I did just a second ago. So I'll put my lead on the outside circle. Oops. Make sure you get it to stay put. Okay. And bring them around till they touch. Okay. Since I've still got the compass out, I might as well go ahead and finish with my inside circle, which has a diameter of 2, which means I set my compass to 1 inch. I'm going to put it back on the same center mark I used to do the outside. My lead slid up, that's why I had to push that down just then. And then I'm going to complete the circles in here. If at all possible, you want to get your spike back in the same hole you used when you drew the outside. On both sides. Okay. And then the last piece of additive drawing that we have to do excuse me, is to put in this center hole, which has a diameter of 1/2 inch. So for that one, just to make things easier on me, I'm going to use my circle template. I am lining up with the center mark that we made on the paper. If you'll notice around the outside of each circle on the circle template, there are little holes. If you line those up with the lines that make up your cross and horizontal marks, then you will be able to center that circle where it needs to go. Draw it in, and all that's left now is to erase the parts that we don't need, which in this case is every single straight line on this drawing. So I've got my eraser and my erasing shield, and now I'm going to get to work. So cover this over. Now you should have better luck erasing than I do, because like I said, I have to draw quite a bit darker for it to be able to be picked up on the camera. Oop, don't use your hand to erase stuff. Where your circles overlapped and you went too far, just put your erasing shield over the part of the circle you want to keep and erase like normal. Good, not bad. Lots of erasing. Sometimes when I'm doing these drawings, I completely understand why Bob Ross talks to himself when he paints. Not that I'm comparing myself to Bob Ross or anything. Note how I'm using the different cutouts in the erasing shield to help limit where my erasing is taking place. Okay. Now that did a pretty good job of cleaning up everything. Now I'm going to go back in and clean up some of the places where my erasing was a little exuberant. that's it for this one. All that remains now is to cam scan it and get it uploaded online. So let's open Cam Scanner. You see I'm using a pink paper today. Let's see here. Get this lined up. One of the great things about Cam Scanner is that when I click this button, it uses what's called magic color and removed the pink completely from the paper that I was just using. All I have to do is click the check mark, and I'm going to send it as a PDF to Canvas Student because I was able to sign into the app. Oh, I guess I didn't. But anyway, the process is simple and the same that we've done before. So, thank you.